Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this spiral math question. This is very tricky question. Many fail to solve this, but if you try and follow the step-wise method, then you will get the right answer. And shout out to my top challengers. If you want to feature here, then comment your answer, whatever it will be, right or wrong, I will give you shout out. So what we have here, 4 divided by 4 minus 4 times 4. Okay. So if you think you are operating like 4 minus 4 and you will get 0, and like this 4 divided by 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0 times 4, and 4 divided by 4 times 0 0 and 4 by 0, then you will get infinity. Okay, this is not the right answer. Okay, so what is the right way? I will solve with the help of PEMDAS. So PEMDAS, both operations, multiplication and division, in the same priority, but here it is separated by negative sign, so you can do separate operation. So we will rewrite here 4 divided by 4 minus 4 times 4. When you operate this, you will get 4 divided by 4, you will get 1. Okay, then you will write 1 minus 4 times 4, and when you operate this, you will get 16. So 1 minus 16, and when you operate this 1 minus 16, you will get 1 minus 15 actually. So here answer is minus 15. And if you are senior, then check out our best product for seniors. You will definitely love those products. This will definitely help you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.